Hello, you're welcome to today's class. We've been told to solve for x. X root x is equal to 8. Okay? Now, it's just so easy. Okay? The first thing we have to do is to remove this root sign. Okay? That means we are going to be converting it to what? An index form. So this will now be x multiplied by, for us to remove this root sign, what do? We write down x, okay, and raise it to the power of half. Okay, we have gotten rid of the root sign and we have replaced it with what? The power of half. Okay, is equal to 8. We want to convert it to a number in base 2. Okay, so converting it to base 2 simply means 2 raised to the power of 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2 will give us what? 8. So now, what do we do next? We have x multiplied by x raised to the power of half. Of course, we know that this is x raised to the power of 1, because x raised to the power of 1 is still what? X. And from our law of indices, we have that a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n can also be written as a raised to the power of m plus n. From our law of indices, we have this law. So now, following this format, we are going to be rewriting this as x raised to the power of 1 plus half. Okay? X raised to the power of 1 plus what? Half is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay? Now, 1 plus half gives what? When you add them together, you will have 3 over 2, right? Yes. You're going to have x raised to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, what do we do to get rid of this fraction here? This exponential fraction here, what do we do? Now, the first thing we have to do is to find the reciprocal of 3 over 2. Okay? Reciprocal means that is find the inverse of 3 over 2. The inverse of 3 over 2 is what? Just turn it upside down. Becomes what? 2 over 3. Okay? Becomes 2 over 3. So we are going to be raising this now. X raised to the power of 3 over 2. All raised to the power of 2 over 3. Okay? Yes. All raised to the reciprocal of what? The exponential fraction, which is 3 over 2. So now, 3 over 2 is going to multiply 2 over 3 to give us what? 1. Isn't it? Yes. 2 will cancel 2. 3 is going to cancel 3. Okay? That is x raised to the power of 3 over 2. Okay? All raised to the power of 2 over 3. So now this now becomes, when you multiply the powers, 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 3. 2 is going to cancel 2, 1. 3 is going to cancel 3, 1. You have 1. Okay? Yes, you have 1. So this now becomes x raised to the power of 1 is equal to what? And anything you're doing in maths, anything you're doing on the left hand side, always apply it to the right hand side. Remember, we added a power of what? 2 over 3 here. Okay? So we are going to add that power of 2 over 3 also at the right hand side. So this is now 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay? All raised to the power of what? 2 over 3. Okay? So when you multiply the powers, what do you have? When you multiply, that is 3 times 2 over 3. 3 is going to cancel 3, 1. And you are left with what? 2. Okay? So this now becomes 2 raised to the power of what? 2. Okay? So we have x is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. And 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? Is 4, right? So x is equal to 4. That is 2 times 2. And x is equal to 4. Hope you found it easy. Thanks for watching.